Let's see how to create a bunting banner in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now, to create a bunting banner, let's go over to the Insert tab and click on Shapes. Let's select this triangle. Go ahead and flip it vertically so that it points downwards and just resize it to the size of the page. And there you go. Let's change the fill color to none, change the shape outline to black, and let's make it thicker. Now the next step is to type in our text. So for this one, we want to do one letter per banner or per piece of the banner. So let's go ahead over to the Insert tab, click on Text Box, Simple Text Box, and just type in your letter. So for example, if we want to do a happy birthday greeting banner, let's go ahead and do that. And here, you can even choose your own word art style to make it look more artistic. So for example, let's go ahead and choose one. And let's resize it. And it should look like that. Let's change the background to no fill. And there you go. You have one banner. Wait, before we forget, let's change this outline to no outline as well. And it should look like that. Now let's go ahead and just copy all this and transfer it to a new page to edit our second letter. And again, a new page to edit our third letter until we complete all of the letters of happy birthday. And as you can see, it should look like that. Now, let's go ahead and look at the print preview to see if whether it will look like that on paper. And as you can see, it looks just like on the document. And that is how you create a bunting banner in Microsoft Word. See you soon!